No, where did the crash happen? Where did the crash happen?
They got mad that I touched the side mirror.
Hey, so you gotta park.
Get on the ground, you're gonna get tased.
Shut up.
I'm down! Get on the ground! Hold on!
Hey, my God, he's just running to
He's got your back!
Yes, you're supposed to listen. That's the problem.
The 26th of May 2025. Kent and Des Moines, Washington State. A hit-and-run suspect is located in a McDonald's drive-thru. Officers initiate contact. The subject refuses to cooperate.
Hey, so you're in this crash, yeah? Yeah, your car. So you need to come over here after so we can talk.
I don't know, he's taking a picture of me. I don't know.
Okay, yeah, well, just come over here after so we can talk.
Why would I talk to you?
Because reportedly you're in a crash, okay?
I didn't been to a crash. You can look at the car.
Okay, but we need to investigate that.
I mean, he can call I don't care. He can call nobody. I don't care.
I'm telling you as the police that...
You can meet me at my house. Then.
No, you're not free to go. So when you get through the drive-thru line, you need to come over here.
Well, why would I talk to you?
Because I'm investigating a hit-and-run crash. You're the suspect of that. I need to do a further investigation to figure out what happened, okay? So you are not going to be free to leave because we need to figure this out.
I mean, he can take my address. He has my address, so...
Okay. So when you go through the drive-thru, come over here so we can talk. Does that make sense?
Do I have to?
Yes.
Well, why?
I just explained that to you.
Yeah, but I didn't know that.
775. I'm at the McDonald's in Des Moines with the suspect driver is non-compliant. We'll take another priority.
No, but can I get one
7-5, the driver's driving through the drive-thru. Told me he's not going to stay. He's going to go home. Oh, he told me that he was not going to stay in exchange of that. He was going to leave. Where did this happen at? Where did this happen? No, where did the crash happen? Where did the crash happen?
The west side of Pack Highway and the left turn lane to go north.
Okay. Yeah, so you're going, west on KDM. Okay.
East on KDM.
Sorry, that's
we're on the west side, yeah.
You're on the west side. Okay.
All those
How
going
did
this way.
it happen?
Huh?
How did the crash happen?
We were stopped at the red light waiting for it, and we're sitting there talking, and all of a sudden, boom, we get hit. My daughter was driving, a friend, and then the two little grandkids are inside playing. So, I got out of the I didn't hit you.
Okay. So he rear-ended you?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Is there damage to your car?
My guess from prior accidents, it said probably a couple grand because it's bent the bumper that supports behind them.
Is there any visible damage?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I was trying to get my phone hooked and I'd walk back in my phone. It came back, it already backed up. Then he went all the way over to turn right to go down south, and so I took a few pictures as best I could.
So did he ever give you his name, his address?
Best I got was, and then because he wouldn't talk to me, I took a side mirror, just folded it in. So, pay attention over here. Then he got mad that I touched the side mirror.
Okay.
Tried to get out and kick my ass. So I started walking over, trying to get the phone to go to record mode. So.
Yeah. Okay.
Why are you walking away? I'll knock you out.
Hey, so you gotta park.
I know that.
Okay. So park your car.
Thank you.
775, you can open the air. The suspect's complying now. Hey, dude. Hey.
Oh, wait.
Stay here. So you're not free to leave, as I explained to you.
What are you trying to do, sir?
So, listen. This is not. So stop.
Okay,
This is not that big of a deal.
Can you wait over there?
No, you're not going back in the car.
I'm not going in. My son is in here.
Okay, leave them there.
Why?
And take your hand out of your pocket.
But why?
Okay, you're gonna go in hand. You're going in handcuffs. Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Hey.
Listen,
They're trying to put me nothing.
I know. I don't.
Get on the ground or you're gonna get tased.
Just
shot me.
just listen.
Shoot me.
I don't want to shoot you. Get on the ground or you're gonna get tased.
Why would I listen?
Oh, you got the 10?
Yeah.
Hey. Can you
Get on the ground. You're going in handcuffs. He already told you that.
what?
Right now, at this time, you're resisting and obstructing.
Under arrest.
Hey.
You're under arrest obstruction.
Ben,
You need
just
to.
shut the up and listen.
Miss, can you step back, please? I
I
understand.
am trying to
face that way,
calm
man.
you down.
Step on back.
Okay, hold on.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Babe, my son is... Babe, just listen! Babe, just listen!
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. You want to get your kid now, you can.
Here, I got another one.
You got that on video? You hit me?
Yeah, you can't fight the police.
Yeah, you cannot, you fucking idiot. Do you understand that?
Each one. There we go. I got them in the back of my car. We're probably gonna need them. Okay. Here, you need more cups or what? Yeah. There you go. I got cups. Okay.
Well, why you hit me?
14 and 27. We
Why you
have
hit
one in
me?
custody.
Why you hit me?
Take another seat, please.
Well, why did you guys hit me? I didn't have nothing. I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing. Why you hit me?
All right.
Yeah, they got it.
But you guys still hit me. I didn't
Hey,
do
right
nothing.
now you're in custody, okay? We're going to read something to you, but we want to make sure that you're not injured.
Yeah, but you guys hit me. But I don't
I'm gonna kind of
understand
hold you up here so you're not on your face, okay?
Here,
Well, you guys
we're going to
still
sit
hit
you up on your butt. You
that.
ready?
You guys still hit me.
Sit up on your butt. There we
Why
go.
did you hit me?
I slapped you in the face, sir, because you weren't paying attention.
Yes, you're supposed
You
to
weren't
listen.
you
That's
were
your
doing what we
problem,
were telling you
listen.
to.
Yeah, but
And that's
you
why you
guys
got
did
slapped,
it.
and that's why you got tased, sir.
I don't care about
There's
the
a
tape.
sergeant right there. if you
Just
have
be
any
quiet. Just shut your mouth.
Oh, come on. Oh, so now I got bleeding.
Yeah, we'll get the fire department. Yeah, fire department's clean you up before you go to jail, okay? You're under arrest now for resisting arrest.
Yeah, that's what happened. All you gotta do is just listen.
Let's
I don't
stand
know
up.
why you
We
guys
can-
are arresting me. I'm already.
Let me pull my card.
What's the
right
sergeant?
Right here. She's right here, next to you.
So I'm already pulling over. So I don't know why you guys do me like that. I'm
Do you guys
ready
have
to
your code
cover.
books on you?
I'm already a couple.
Hey, I want to talk to you about it, but I got to read this to you because you're in handcuffs, you're in custody, okay?
But I don't have a warrant.
I understand. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. All right, so the reason why that happened is I understand that you pulled over, but the officers are telling you to do something and you're not doing it.
But I'm already listening to him to pull over. I pull over.
And they're telling you, sorry, and they're telling you to do something, so that's what happened. And then you're actively trying to fight my officers.
I didn't try to fight them.
Yeah, you lowered your body. You did. They're giving you a lawful order to take your hands out of your pockets, okay? And you refuse to do that.
And you pulled away from him when he said we were going to put you in handcuffs. That's what led to all this to begin
So
with, sir.
You
that's
would've
what
never went
Okay.
to jail, bruh.
Understandable.
they were investigating a hit and run collision with you as a driver. So that's why we are here.
Probably this
You
one.
did not cooperate with that investigation.
But you told
Okay.
me to pull over, but I pull over.
Yeah, but you don't listen.
So right
Okay.
now you are in custody
Can I get up?
for resisting arrest.
We'll both just have you sit here for a second, man. The fire department's always here. They're going to take a look at that leg and get it cleaned up, okay?
Yeah, can I get up, please?
Yep, we're gonna help
Would
you
you
up.
prefer to stand up? Okay, you gotta roll up on your knee.
I just want to get up, please.
That's how you get up.
Up and then,
Sorry, I had my left back.
that's okay. That's all right.
You want to take a seat on the pit bar right here? You want to sit on the front of the
Can you
car?
pull my shirt up?
Stay right here.
Oh, sorry.
I understand, but you're gonna stand over here. You're gonna listen to us, okay? You understand? I've talked to you, and now you're gonna listen to us.
I'm going to I take out bail bar.
Thank you.
The jail will handle all that.
Because I just want to know if I'm going to get locked up so I can get bail.
You're going to jail. You're going to go to Kent jail.
Okay.
Can I
Are
get
you coming here?
bail so I can...
You can contact her once you get to the jail. If you need us to write a phone number down, we can do that. But right now, our primary thing is we're going to have the fire department come and check you out. We're going to clean up your leg.
Can you like at least help me out? Let me a warning or something? I just want
A warning?
Okay.
No. You actively resisted our officers. You're not getting a warning.
Yeah, but I didn't resist when he told me to
Hey.
pull over.
When did you have your last drink?
I just woke up.
What's that?
I didn't drink.
You haven't had any alcohol today?
I smell like alcohol, yeah?
We smell some
Yeah,
alcohol.
the alcohol poured on my shirt.
It was poured on your shirt?
Yeah.
Interesting. Would you be willing to consent to a voluntary field sobriety test? No? Are you willing to consent to a preliminary breath test that wouldn't replace any test? Okay. No, none of that? Okay.
I want my lawyer though.
Yeah. You want your lawyer? Okay. So you don't want us to ask any further questions about your lawyer?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. What's your last name?
I need my lawyer though.
We got to know your name, okay?
I'm not gonna give you my
You're
name.
not going to give your name?
You've been locked up as John Doe and that was
Yeah, John Doe.
It makes things take a little longer.
I was on the phone with my husband the whole time driving here. There was nothing that happened. Like,
Were you in a different car?
no.
Oh, you
I
were
live
in-
down the street. Literally, like, down the street.
Were you in that
No.
car?
I was
okay.
on the phone with him the whole time.
Okay.
And, like,
So-
he would have told me or something, you know, but...
Yeah, so there was a hit and run collision that happened right up there.
I know, but which way? Like, coming from this way or
It
that
was
way?
going that. It was. I don't know.
Oh,
I don't
sir?
know. I don't
Where
know
did he
for.
hit you at?
Justin, it's not on the way. Bro.
No, he won't give his name.
Because I can
Yeah.
tell you, if he's coming from a different way, my husband's coming the other way, that's bullshit. That's
Okay.
why I want to know which way he's coming from. Because
Yeah.
we live down the street.
I know all of us trying to talk to you. What's your husband's first name?
Damn.
What's wrong? What is your major complaint?
I have a headache.
Okay. What would you like me to do about that?
Was she the only one in the car?
No, I was sitting in the front, and our mutual friend is in the back seat, and the two grandbabies. So there were 5 of us in there.
Okay. Whoever has IDs will take. Okay.
But if you have any other questions, he's going to go to Kent Jail.
Yeah.
So he can give you a call from there.
Well,
Okay.
would he be able to have a bail today or?
That's a good question. He might. It just depends on what his level of cooperation is once he gets there. Honestly. So. All
Yeah,
right.
that's his problem. He don't
Yeah.
know how to listen.
Yeah. So. All right. Thank you for trying to get him to do that. So.
We were sitting at Kent Des Moines Road on this side because I don't know north from south. So
Yep.
this side,
Okay.
we were sitting at the red light. We had pulled up right as it turned red, so we were sitting there for a really, really, really long time.
Okay.
They had the other car had pulled up behind us, and I'd seen it. They were stopped. We were chatting.
Is this car like?
Yes,
Okay.
this car. We were chatting for a few minutes, and then all of a sudden we were jerked forward, indicating
Okay.
that we'd been hit from the back.
Okay.
So,
Alrighty.
After the crash happened, he asked, "Did we just get hit?" And I went, "Yes." And he got out of the car to talk to the driver and get information from them, like pictures and whatever. And they proceeded to back up. And I thought,
So you personally didn't speak with the other
I did
driver?
not
Okay.
interact with them at all. My head, they were backing up to maybe like pull off to the side of the road with us, but they cut across to the right-hand turn lane, and that's when my dad
Anyway.
chased after or whatever happened. I couldn't see fully
Okay.
because there was 2 cars in between us.
Okay.
But he somehow the vehicle stopped, and I saw him taking photos, and then my dad was walking down the sidewalk when the driver of this vehicle got out and started to chase after, or indicated that he was going after him. And then that's when I was like, I'm going to call 911 because at that point I had felt escalated to the point that maybe something could have potentially happened.
Okay. Alrighty. He smells like of alcohol. He refused. His wife said he was drinking last night. He said he was drinking last night. He refused any type of test. They're not cooperating, obviously. But I think that's enough for the blood warrant. You have the collision itself makes no sense. A normal driver wouldn't do that. And then you have the odor of alcohol. And I did notice he was a little unstable on his feet over here.
Okay. Sorry, I had to close that door because we're moving, okay? So, my name's Officer Castro. Everything's on video recorded, okay? I understand they read you your rights and you don't want to talk to us about anything right now, okay? I'm just going to let you know what's going on, all right? So, right now you're under arrest for DUI, okay? So, the part of the process is we're going to be going to the Kent jail. I'm going to contact a judge and get a blood search warrant to get a sample of your blood, okay? So I just want to be as transparent as possible and let you know what's going on, all right? So I'm just going to put the seatbelt on.
Oh, it's not gonna work.
Oh, they already tried it? Okay.
I try to max it out.
Okay, all right. So, understood. All right, I'm going to close this door, okay? Just watch your leg, all righty? All right.
Legal issue 1. Investigative detention Terry v. Ohio 392 US 1 1968. Officers may briefly detain a person based on reasonable articulable suspicion alone. Probable cause is not required at this threshold. A matching vehicle at a reported hit-and-run scene satisfies this standard. Legal issue 2. Hit-and-run statute, Washington RCW 46.52.20. Any driver involved in a collision must stop, identify themselves, and exchange information. Violation is a gross misdemeanor for property damage. If bodily injury is confirmed, the offense elevates to a Class B felony, carrying a maximum sentence of 10 years imprisonment. Legal issue 3. Duty to remain during detention, Illinois v. Wardlow, 528 US 1192000. Evasive behavior and stated refusal to remain are relevant factors in the reasonable suspicion analysis. A subject may not unilaterally terminate a lawful Terry stop. Doing so provides grounds for escalation to formal arrest. Legal issue 4, right to withhold identity. Washington has no stop and identify statute. Hybel v. 6th Judicial District, 542 U.S. 1772004. Compelled identification is constitutional only, where a statute explicitly requires it. In this jurisdiction, the subject's refusal to provide his name is legally protected. Booking proceeds under John Doe designation. Identity is established through fingerprints at the corrections facility. Legal issue 5, use of force. Standard Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 3861989. The reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene at the moment of decision, not with hindsight. Courts consider 3 factors: the severity of the crime, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and the degree of active resistance or attempt to evade arrest. Legal issue 6, excessive force and civil liability. An open-hand strike to the face of a subject already being restrained by multiple officers may fall outside the authorized use of force continuum. Where a clearly established constitutional right is violated, the officer and the department face civil liability under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. Qualified immunity analysis applies under Pearson v. Callahan, Lima U.S. 2223-27. Legal issue 7, custodial rights. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 4361966. Before any custodial interrogation, officers must advise the subject of the right to remain silent, that statements may be used in court, and the right to appointed counsel. Any statement obtained without this advisement is inadmissible. Legal issue 8, invocation of counsel. Edwards v. Arizona, 451 U.S. 4771981. Once a subject unambiguously invokes the right to counsel, all custodial interrogation must cease immediately. Continued questioning after invocation renders any resulting statement inadmissible under the 6th Amendment, regardless of whether the subject subsequently appears willing to talk. Legal issue 9, implied consent and FST refusal. Washington RCW 46.20.342. All licensed drivers are deemed to have consented to field sobriety and preliminary breath tests as a condition of operating a vehicle. Refusal is legally permitted but carries mandatory license revocation and may be introduced as circumstantial evidence of impairment at trial. Key lessons from this incident. 1. Reasonable suspicion, not probable cause, is sufficient to initiate and maintain a Terry stop. 2. Washington's absence of a stop and identify statute means silence on identity is protected. 3. Force applied after active resistance is controlled must still satisfy Graham v. Connor. 4. Invocation of counsel is a hard stop on all questioning, no exceptions. 5. Civil exposure under Section 1983 begins the moment force exceeds constitutional limits.